Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to drive down Florida State Road 399, heading east onto Santa Rosa Island and through Pensacola Beach. We exit off of US Highway 98 and head across a causeway over Santa Rosa Sound. The Trumpet interchange with US 98 is all that remains of Florida State Road 399. At one time, the state road extended the length of Santa Rosa Island, returning to US 98 at Navarre Beach. However, in 1999, jurisdiction and maintenance of this road shifted from the state to the counties. We apologize for the rain. We made every attempt to stop it, but it just kept coming down. It does slack off once we get onto the island. As we approach the toll plaza, we cross from Santa Rosa County into Escambia County. The toll to cross onto the island is $1 for all vehicles. The eastern end of this highway, which connects US 98 with Navarre Beach, is no longer tolled as of 2005. However, as we'll find out at the end of this video, County Road 399 was closed midway across the island for reasons we could not determine. At Fort Pickens Road, County Road 399 becomes Via de Luna Drive. Along this stretch of road are the 5 tallest buildings on the coast between Mobile and Tallahassee. The beaches here are advertised as the world's whitest beaches, referring to the quartz sand that resembles the color of granulated sugar. On a nice day, the water off the beach is blue and clear enough to see your feet in shoulder-deep water. We've included some photos from a day with much nicer weather. There is no privately owned property on Santa Rosa Island. The land that the homes, businesses, and condominiums sit on are leased to the building owners by the government in 90-year increments. As part of the Gulf Islands National Seashore, parts of the island, such as this, are protected from development and remain in their primitive form with sand dunes and the wiry grass that holds the sand together, allowing the barrier island to do its job in protecting the mainland from storm surges and coastal erosion. Santa Rosa Island is a barrier island between the Gulf of Mexico to our right and Santa Rosa Sound to our left. The island was originally settled by Spaniard Tristan de Luna in 1559. A sign here near a beach parking area advises that the road is closed and to turn around now. However, we kept going a little bit further to see why. A few miles ahead is Navarro Beach, where scenes from the 1978 film Jaws 2 were filmed. Unfortunately, we'll have to save that drive for another trip. Ahead in the distance, some blockades were visible, so we decided not to go any further. We end this video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.